Here we are in the garage. It's kind of dark right now, but here's my baby. And this is where I'm going to put the system in. My 24 Dodge Durango. And back here's a little messy, but this is where I believe, in this little compartment here, is where I'm going to put my 10-inch woofer. So all that's going to go in here, in this little compartment here. So I'm going to build a fiberglass box, and I believe I'm probably going to have the wiring go through here. Really debating. Hold on, let me get this shit. If I should just put all the amp and all that stuff in here. Now I was thinking as well as I have a jack here. I don't even use this. And there's a lot of room in here. And I was thinking of maybe building a slide out drawer and put my amp system in here. Because I still want to use this stuff to put my other spark plugs and whatever else I have. But I'm thinking maybe, I know there's a lot of room back here. So I could probably get an amp right in there. Maybe cut this whole thing out here and then put the whole amp in there. And just run it right to the battery and get everything hooked up. But like I said, I don't think I'm going to go about hooking everything up due to the factory deck. It has a lot of wires and connected to the steering wheel and all that stuff. So tell me what you think. If you think it's a great idea, let me know. If you have any better ideas, let me know as well. We're going to go from there, and I'm going to try to revamp this baby of mine to a nice cruiser for the summer. With these amp rack here, actually right here, I'm going to put the fans. So the fans are going to go right in there to cool the amps, but it's going to be tucked behind, and they're going to have all the wires run and have this whole box cool the system. So we're going to go through that, cut everything out, and see how it works out. Well, here we are, people. Almost completed. Still got some ways to go, but you got the gist of it. DIY, do it yourself. Didn't cost too much to do all this work. Pretty soon I'll show you the install of all the wiring. Here's my speakers and stuff that we're gonna eventually wire up. All Rockford Fosgate, tweeters, 10-inch, 6x9s, my 5s, and everything else. So thanks for watching. Matt Kahuna Street, we're out. Oh, by the way, it's a nice day in the T-Dot, isn't it? Later. Looks like we got everything pretty much hooked up. Got my LCI, got my base, got two controls which eventually I'll move to the front. This one's for lights, and this one here is to control the fans. Gotta adjust these things a bit, but that's for the fans. bass knob up front. Eventually I'll get that all going. Let's hear what it sounds like. We'll just put it at 24. There we go. Pretty much at 24. Not going to turn up any louder. Neighbors will complain. But that's what it is.